Welcome to 82 Cobwell Road, Retford. This is an absolutely ideal renovation project for anyone looking for a spacious property with loads of potential at a really affordable price. It's a 2/3 bedroom terraced property on Cobwell Road, so we're ideally located for any commuters looking to use Retford railway station. The accommodation comprises this lounge, a kitchen/dining room, a utility and a ground floor bathroom. Up to the first floor and we've got 2 really generous bedrooms, and then the attic is also a further bedroom with bedroom 3. In terms of outside space, there is a private courtyard to the rear. This property is offered for sale by Newton Fallowell estate agents. Please contact the office to arrange your viewing.